hanging on to a little sunshine, still in the Muskegon area, but overall we're going to see the clouds take over the sky. It's a beautiful scene, though. I just love the snow, the frozen lake out there, and you know, we kind of need to freshen up a little bit, but that's not going to happen, I don't think, until Wednesday night and Thursday for our next round of snow. Now, temperatures, they're certainly cold enough for snow, but the coldest of the air is northeast of us in Canada, and that is going to continue moving away from us. Still cold around here, 18 in Grand Rapids right now, and overall, most areas reporting temperatures in the teens. Upstream, well, not quite as cold, 26 in Milwaukee on the other side of the lake with clouds moving in and even some light snow. The question is, are we going to get any light snow around here? I think that batch of snow is going to stay just to our west. 18 in Grand Rapids, also Kalamazoo, 18 in Muskegon, and 21 in South Haven. But where is the wind? It's the wind that always makes it feel colder. It's going to be rather light today. Right now it's east at 7 miles an hour in Grand Rapids. But look, you can see some areas calm in Ionia, Kalamazoo, and Sturgis. And when it's this cold out, it's good to see those calm wind conditions because it certainly can make it feel quite cold out there, which it is right here in Grand Rapids at 9 above. It feels like 18 in Kalamazoo and 17 Cereal City and 10 in the Holland location. So even though we have that sunshine out there, bundle up, it's still quite cold. Looking ahead, you can see kind of a broad view here on the radar. This is the area snow I was talking about. Still a few breaks in the cloud cover here and there on this side of the lake, but the clouds move in this afternoon. A lot of dry air, so I don't think this area of snow will survive Lake Michigan. We have a 30% chance of an evening flurry or two. If you're right along the lakeshore, that would be the best chance of receiving any light snow, and it won't accumulate. That's how light it'd be. You can see the clouds kind of taking over here across West Michigan, and really the snow doesn't arrive. We'll take you right through the overnight period with generally overcast sky conditions, and by tomorrow morning, still a fair amount of clouds out there. But look what happens. A northeast wind takes over as that big East Coast blizzard really develops, and it's going to force a northeast wind right out of Canada. Whenever that happens, it's a dry air mass, and we should end the day with sunny skies. That's another day we get to use the sunglasses. Wednesday as well. Next chance of snow will be Thursday, and this one looks like a 1 to 4 inch. I had that 1 inch amount because we could see a little bit of a mix, especially the farther south you are, such as I-94, Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, Marshall, and to the south. But in general, you know, north of there, a good solid 2 to 4 inches certainly looks possible, and then back to some sunshine on Friday. The question mark is, we keep talking about the Arctic air, but the models are not agreeing when to bring it in. It looked like it'd actually come in earlier in the month, but it looks like it's going to hold off until maybe late in the weekend, sometime early next week. Of course, coming up at 5 o'clock, we'll have more on the latest of the blizzard conditions, which will be developing there in New England, and also our potential for some snow, again, on Thursday. Kind of zone in or zero in on how much we're thinking.
Okay, good. Sounds good, Matt. Thank you very much. Soon.